Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I have a super exciting unboxing for you guys. I have managed to get my hand on one of these. Yes, this is an RTX 3070, brand new in box, and I got it for retail pricing. I'm super happy now. I had hoped not to have to actually buy one ever again, because I don't know, eventually I want to get free cards. It's not going to happen anytime soon, but that'd be nice. So I was at Micro Center buying something random, and I walked up to the counter. I'm like, do you guys have 3070s? Like, we have a couple. I'm like, can I have one? They're like, sure. So now I have this. This is specifically speaking the Asus Dual RTX 3070. It was the one they had closest to MSRP of $500. It was $529.99. So I thought, okay, I'll take this. It's a good card. It's got RGB, dual fans. It's great. In this video, we're just going to casually unbox it. The reason I'm doing an unboxing of a card you can't really get is to kind of, for at least this card, show you what you can expect to get in the packaging of an RTX 3070. Whenever NVIDIA wants to focus on manufacturing instead of blackmailing small YouTubers, and maybe we can get some cards by Christmas, but I doubt that's going to happen, so let's go ahead and unbox this card. First things first, we just have, it's pretty classic. Actually, I want to make sure I don't want to wreck the box. But just the tape like that, and it's the simple tab. You pull it out. These are not the greatest boxes. I'm not a super fan of the aftermarket boxes for a lot of these cards. I much prefer the Founders Edition boxes. I think they're much cooler, but that's not the point. Now we just have to struggle to get this out. There we go. That box can go down here. Wow, this is actually a pretty premium feeling box. I know that's obviously not really what matters, the box on the outside, but this is nice. A nice gold print. Makes me feel like making a professional product. And then we just, yep, as expected. It's really just in there, So I'm going to take this thing off as far as I know what I do. Packing steps. I guess it's got steps. And then we just have our graphics card that I don't want to drop at all, so we're going to pull that out. What the heck? And then we just have, drivers and discs and stuff like that, stupid things that nobody uses ever. And this is not what I expected. So there's steps to how to get it in and out. Unpacking steps. Fold up. Pull out. What? So you, pull up like that? And you know what? There's only one way to do this. We're not going to do whatever the hell it wanted me to actually do. We're just going to pull it out. Easy way. Cool. Little foam. And then model number or whatever. Order number. And then this thing is a lot thicker than I thought it was, which is slightly worrying. Here we have it. The Asus Dual RTX 3070. We actually do get 2 HDMIs. So what do we have on the back? We have 3 display ports, 2 HDMIs. Those are weirdly placed, but actually this is perfect. I did need 2 HDMIs. We have dual 8-pin connectors. Thankfully, Asus isn't stupid like NVIDIA and doesn't use that stupid 12-pin in the middle of the goddamn card. It's wrapped in plastic, which we are going to take off, and it's just, this is a thick card. It's really like a 2.5 slot card. So that worries me because I am putting this in the NZXT H1 that I've built on this channel before, although likely that build is not up, the full build, the final build, where I put a new AMD-based PC in there. But, that's what it's going, so hopefully it'll actually fit. But besides that, let's get this peel. That's not a really great peel. Oh, that's terrible. That's just upsetting. That is just not. This is a nice looking card though. Oh, that's a terrible peel. It might be my fault, but that's just upsetting. Alright, now that we've got our card out of its plasticky prison, oh, there's more. Oh, there's more on the bottom too. I get why, but too much plastic. Now that it's out of its plasticky prison, we can actually take this off and just see. Nope, nothing special. PCI Express 4.0 16X, naturally. We have our connectors. Ooh, I like this. The fan connector, as far as I know, that is the fan connector. I don't know if you can see that. I know, I'm sorry, because it's dark. Is actually on the back of the board, and you can actually access it and pull it out without taking the cooler off yet. So that's great for, like, you can take it off as an early step and then take off your cooler to avoid ripping the header off the board. That's actually really good. Good job, Asus, on that. Besides that, it's just this is a nice dual fan design. It is a very thick card. It's not too long, but it is actually pretty wide. You know, it's not as thin as other cards. I really hope this will fit in the H1. It should support 2.5 slot cards, but I don't know. Besides that, it's just overall, like, it's not too heavy. It's a pretty light GPU. They're using just what feels like a nice plastic for this top part. A metal backplate, always a welcome thing. In 2020, if you're buying a card that's $400 or $500, always should have a metal backplate, or at least a decent plastic one. Although I think it has to be metal or whatever. Yeah, no, our ports, I'm going to take these off because I actually need to access these ports. See if there's anything unusual. The other thing I don't like is they got rid of that USB-C VR link thing, which I actually would have liked because I play VR. And I thought USB-C was cool to have on these, so a little disappointing it doesn't. Wish it did. I would like to see them bring it back, although I doubt it. Just kind of sucks. And also, this is RGB. Just thought I'd point that out. It's, you know, it's just RGB. It's subtle. You know, this isn't an ROG card. It's really just a stock Asus card. Besides that, there's really nothing to go over. This is the card. It is a nice one. A lot of people probably haven't been getting this one. You know, your viewers usually ask for a more expensive card. This is on the budget end. This is like $20 over MSRP. It's a good card. I chose it over some triple fan ones that were like $100 over MSRP, which isn't worth it. Because these are pretty thick fans anyway. So this card will probably perform pretty well with these fans. It's got a very beefy heatsink. Look at that. We've got heat pipes and two. It's just good. It's good. A lot of fins. Good fin density. There's not really much to say. I'm not going to take apart this card probably ever, unless I start making a lot more money. So if you want this card to be torn down, I don't know, leave a like. Maybe I'll make enough money to buy a new one if I break it. But I'm going to be actually putting this in my H1. I'm not going to make a video about that because I'm just going to put it in like right now, and it's over there, and it's a pain. The only thing I'll make a video about is if it doesn't fit, and then I can yell at NZXT again, which I've seemed to have taken a liking to doing now. So, this is the point. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed my little unboxing of my RTX 3070 that I have just purchased at Micro Center again. I just walked in and asked for it. I'm really surprised. I'm still surprised. I went in to buy a monitor, and I came out with only a graphics card. I was just like, hey, can I have it? They're like, sure. I'm like, sweet. So, thank you. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed this unboxing. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.